The slugs don't seem to have eaten the winter purslane. They've eaten everything else. They've even eaten the spring onions. They've just left me 3. It's not worth planting those, but these they've left alone. So I'm going to plant these and see what happens. They might just be waiting for me to plant them and then they'll eat them, but hopefully they'll survive. Well, those are in. I'm not going to get many salads out of these 10 plants, but at least it's something. Considering the rest of the cage is empty now till the spring, and there's no guarantee the slugs won't come back and eat all of these as well when they get hungry. They don't eat the weeds, do they? Ready things. Well, at least the garlic's come up, which is good news. At least that's one plant that's slug proof.